So a sample space of an experiment is a set of all possible outcomes. So my experiment is tossing a coin twice, okay? I would list all the possible outcomes in my sample space. And so I could get a head and a head if I tossed it twice. I could get a head and then a tail. Okay, I could get a tail and then a head. And I could get a tail and a tail. Okay, so this is the sample space for the random experiment of tossing a coin twice. Okay, it's listing all the possible outcomes. Now, if my experiment was tossing a coin twice and counting the number of heads, okay, so let's say number of heads. Alright, my sample space changes. I'm not going to list the outcomes like this. I would list the outcomes going, okay, so I could get this where I get tail, tail, and that would be no heads. Okay, I could get this or this where that is getting one head, or I could get this one here where I get two heads. Okay, so the sample space changes because we're talking about the number of heads, and the number of heads is counted. You either get none, you get one, or you get two. Okay, so be careful when you're listing your sample space. Be careful to look at what the question or the experiment is. Okay, so when I'm tossing a coin twice, my sample space is I list the outcomes like this. When it's the number of heads, I list the outcomes like this because I'm actually counting the number of heads. Okay.